Kalimera! Welcome from beautiful Athens. I stand here below the famous Parthenon, and I have a confession. I'm standing in front of a picture of the Parthenon, and well, I have another confession. I'm not exactly 100% Greek. In fact, I'm not even 10% Greek, but here's some good news. You don't have to be Greek. You don't have to visit Greece to enjoy the ambiance, the music, the dancing, the food. You just have to come to the Resurrection Greek Festival on October 2nd, 3rd, or 4th. And I've got some other good news. There's free food, free parking, free admission, free entertainment, and free drinks. Okay, you gotta pay for the food and the drinks, but it is well worth it. This is authentic. So, even if you're not Greek 24/7, come October 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, and be Greek with me, at least for the weekend. You will enjoy yourself. Please come.